What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and today we got Xiaomi's latest flagship smartphone, the Xiaomi 11T Pro. So in this video we are going to perform a quick unboxing of its retail box. We will have a look on the Xiaomi 11T Pro inside, its design, features, specs, the display quality and all of the usual unboxing stuff. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So first of all, let's have a look on the retail box. So here is the huge 11 written that this is an 11 series smartphone. The device is Xiaomi 11T Pro. As you can see that the Mi branding is removed from the name of the device, but we still got a Mi branding here at the top. It comes with 108 megapixel ultra clear camera. The speakers are tuned by Harman Kardon and this device is a 5G device. So this is the place where you will get the usual information regarding the device. On this side, that how much is the storage, amount of RAM, the color, IMEI number. But as you can see, nothing is there because this is a pre-production review unit and that's why those informations are missing. So let's open the box and let's see what we got inside. So here is the SIM card tray ejector pin. We got Xiaomi 11T Pro quick start guide, the warranty card, the safety information, and here is a silicon TPU case provided for the back panel. Here is the Xiaomi 11T Pro. It comes with 108 MP Pro grade camera. We also got the ultra wide angle lens and the tele macro lens. It comes with 5000 mAh battery along with 120 watt Xiaomi hypercharge. So this is one of the most highlighted feature of the device, and we will do a separate test to check that how much time it's going to take in charging the battery of 11T Pro from 0% to 100%. Xiaomi claims it's 17 minutes, but we will see how true is this claim in our separate battery charging speed test of 11T Pro. It comes with 120Hz AMOLED display with Dolby Vision. You got dual speakers and the sound is tuned by Harman Kardon. We got the Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor along with dual 5G capability. So I think we got the gray color device. Once again, you can see this is the place where you will usually find the IMEI numbers and all, but everything is gone. On this review unit we got, wow, so this power adapter, the charger is huge, 120 watt charger for Xiaomi hypercharging technology. It's a bit heavy as well because it's huge obviously. And here we got the USB Type-C cable, and as you can see there is no earphones provided in the retail box of Xiaomi 11T Pro. So inside the retail box of Xiaomi 11T Pro you will find the smartphone, USB Type-C cable, 120 watt charger, back panel case, some quick start guide, warranty card, and this SIM card tray ejector pin as well. So here is the Xiaomi 11T Pro in black color and it's very glossy as you can see. So let's switch on the device, and while it's booting up for the very first time, let me tell you about few of the hardware specs and other features of this device. So it comes with a 6.67 inch screen. The device is IP53 certified for dust and splash resistance. We got the Snapdragon 888 processor, Adreno 660 GPU. As you can see that it comes with MIUI 12 and Android 11. There are two variants of the device based on RAM, 8GB and 12GB, and for storage we got 128 and 256. I'm not sure which variant I got because as you can see on retail box there is nothing written. So once I will finish the setup we will have a look on this part. So now I'm going to do the setup quickly and after that we will have a detailed look on the device. And here we go. So this is the home screen of Xiaomi 11T Pro. So first of all, let's talk about the design and build quality. So on the front side, we got a huge 6.67 inch screen. The screen to body ratio is quite impressive, and top bezels are very thin compared to the bezels are quite thin whether at the top, bottom or on the sides, and provide a very nice visual experience on 11T Pro. The display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. That's the latest Gorilla Glass available in the market, and the good thing is that Xiaomi is also providing a screen protector pre-applied on the display of 11T Pro here. So we got dual protection, the Gorilla Glass Victus and this thin screen protector. At the top center of the screen, we got this punch hole where you will find 16 megapixel front camera. Right above the bezel, you will find this very tiny thin slit for the earpiece that is nearly invisible. Because of the top slim bezel, there is no LED indicator provided on 11T Pro. At the bottom, we got the speaker grill, USB Type-C port, primary microphone, and the SIM card tray slot. And at the top, we got the IR blaster, the Harman Kardon branding for the speakers, and another speaker grill. And as you can see that at the top we are getting this rainbow effect, which is actually not available at the bottom because the bottom is so glossy, but we got less glossy finish at the top, and this rainbow effect is happening here. The left hand side is totally bare, we got no button, keys, anything. And on the right hand side we got the volume rockers and this power button under which the fingerprint sensor is embedded. Unlike many smartphones, instead of indented fingerprint sensor, we got one coming out of the body. Now talking about the back panel, we got this glossy finish back panel on our 11T Pro. Half of the top is occupied by the huge camera module with triple lenses, flash, the 108MP branding, etc. At the bottom you will find Xiaomi and 5G branding and the regulatory information. As you can see that the edges of the back panel, they are curved on all sides, also at the top and at the bottom. And because of this, even though the device is a bit thick at 8.8 mm thickness, it does not look that thick visually because of the curved back panel. It also provides a nice grip while holding the device in hand, and it feels good as well. Officially, Xiaomi does not provide the information that what kind of glass we got on the back panel, so I will consider it as a regular glass instead of Gorilla Glass, and that's why it is better to use the TPU case provided in the retail box. Also, as you can see that below the glass we got the brushed metal finish. So this is quite nice that even though we got the glass back panel that is glossy most of the time, at some particular angles you will get the metallic finish as well. Few things I'm missing here in terms of design is that it comes with very basic IP53 certification, so the device is just splash resistant. So on a flagship and expensive device like 11T Pro, it would be nice to have full waterproofing with IP68 certification. Another thing is that it does not come with the expandable storage option. So there is no dedicated microSD card slot provided, and you cannot even use the SIM2 slot as microSD card slot like many other smartphones. Other than these 2 points, everything is nice, premium and flagship level in terms of design and build quality on Xiaomi 11T Pro. Now talking about the display, we got the 6.67 inch Full HD Plus display with 86% screen to body ratio. So the PPI you will get is around 395, and because of that the display quality is very nice. You can see that the colors are very punchy and it's pretty sharp as well. It comes with HDR10 Plus, Dolby Vision and 1 billion color reproduction. So the display quality is going to be great for sure. And talking about the brightness, the average brightness is 800 nits and it can go as high as 1000 nits. So you can see that the display is looking really bright, and in the outdoors it will be even brighter in some situation, but we will see how good it's going to be in bright sunny outdoors in our detailed review of the device. But right now it's looking great for sure. It comes with 120Hz refresh rate, so we can select the 120Hz and then the display will be way smoother compared to 60Hz as you can see here, but it's going to consume more battery. And since we are going to the settings, let me check the storage. So my device got 256 GB storage. If you go to all the specs, here you can see it's 8 GB RAM. So there are different combinations, like 8 GB RAM variant comes with 128 GB storage and 256 GB as well. And the same goes with 12 GB RAM as well. So the one I got here, it comes with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Now talking about the software side, this device comes with Xiaomi's latest MIUI 12.5.2 as you can see here, and it's running on Android 11. So this is the home screen. Here we can see we got plenty of Xiaomi applications like music, cleaner, security, file manager, gallery. We got a set of Google applications as well. Here you can see that we got Mi Video, Weather. Under Tools you will find some nice useful applications including the Mi Remote, because this device comes with an IR blaster as we have seen. Netflix is pre-installed, and since this is a device that supports Dolby Vision, HDR10+, so you can have high quality streaming content on Netflix, etc. Under the More apps you will find all of these apps. I think they are not installed and you can install them manually if you want. We got the Mi Community pre-installed, Notes and Quai. I'm not sure what exactly it is, but it seems like a video editing app. The user interface is quite smooth as you can see here, pretty nice, and the 120Hz refresh rate is also contributing in that. And since it comes with dual Harman Kardon speakers, let's give the speaker a try as well. So here we go to the sounds and vibration. Let's play some default music we got on this device. So the audio quality is really nice, and here at the bottom while holding the device I can feel the vibration in my hand. So the bass output is quite nice as well. Same goes at the top as well. When I'm touching the top, here I can feel the vibration coming out of the speaker. So this is quite nice. So the speaker quality is really nice for sure, even while playing the default ringtones we got on the device. And now let's talk about the camera. So on the front side we got a 16 megapixel camera that is capable of recording 1080p resolution videos. And talking about the rear, we got 108MP primary camera with face detection, autofocus. We got 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and 5 megapixel tele macro lens. But again, on a flagship smartphone like Xiaomi 11T Pro, I would happily dump the macro lens and will switch to a dedicated telephoto lens, because in our daily usage most of the time you will need a zoom lens with good image quality instead of a macro lens. The rear camera is capable of recording 8K resolution videos. It comes with dual LED dual tone flash, and this is the camera user interface that you will find. So you can see that it comes with photo mode. In photo we got HDR, AI, we got portrait mode, that is a combination of bokeh effect here. We got some beautification, and here we got some filters as well that you can create for the portrait shots. If you go to the video, here you can see we got the stabilization, we got HDR, we got once again some filters, it's called movie filters. We got the beautification effect as well. We got the wide angle and 2x zoom, but this 2x is not optical, it's purely digital. And then we got the Pro mode. Here you can do all of these changes in the image parameters like white balance, focus. You can select the shutter speed, ISO, etc. And here we got the option to select 108MP resolution. You can see 108MP Ultra HD is on. If you go to the more section, here you will find once again 108MP, so it is available for Pro mode and also for the regular imaging. Then we got the short video, panorama, night mode, documents, vlog is there, slow motion time lapse, movie effect is there as well that we have seen on Xiaomi Mi 11. Xiaomi is pretty proud of this feature, so we will see how good they are going to work on our 11T Pro. Then we got the long exposure, dual video and clone as well. So as you can see that we got plenty of camera modes and features on 11T Pro, but we will see how good all of these are going to be in our detailed camera review of 11T Pro. But right now let's take few quick shots and let's see how good they are going to be. So here I got this tiny little toy here. Let's take few pictures. And now let's have a look. So lots of detail we are getting here. As you can see, color reproduction is very nice, as good as the real object, and we are getting nice bokeh effect even without using the portrait mode. As you can see that the focus was on the subject here, on the toy, and the retail box of the 11T Pro we got here is totally blurred in the background. So that's quite impressive. This is another image. Once again, you can see great amount of detail we are getting here. Quite impressive for sure. And once again, very nice bokeh effect. You can see like the focus is on the face, and this lower part is blurred here, the stand of the toy. Here we captured this image from the top. Once again, very nice performance. So I'm loving it for sure. So the camera performance seems very nice, even in the photo mode without turning on the AI or something. Quite impressive in all of these. But these are just some quick captures. We will see how good the camera of Xiaomi 11T Pro is going to perform in real life scenario, especially when we are talking about all of these camera modes and stuff we got here. So do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification when more videos of 11T Pro are live on this channel, because the detailed camera review, benchmarking review, the gaming review, etc. are going to be uploaded very soon. So at the first glance, Xiaomi 11T Pro is looking like a very nice flagship smartphone in every aspect. The design and build quality is quite solid, display is gorgeous, camera performance is looking very impressive as well. The only thing I'm missing here is that there is no proper waterproofing, we got no dedicated telephoto lens, and there is no option to expand the storage. Other than these, it's pretty solid device in every aspect. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.